The Dow opened higher Wednesday morning as Wall Street tries to bounce back from huge losses Monday and Tuesday. Investors are trying to gauge how the rapidly growing coronavirus outbreak will impact the global economy.
We will get on the other side of this, but for now there's still more unknowns than knowns.
Italy is now reporting about 350 cases, prompting the State Department to issue a travel advisory today, asking U.S. citizens to exercise increased caution when traveling there.
Ai malati del coronavirus.
Pope Francis offered his prayers for the victims as many in the crowd in St. Peter's Square wore masks to protect themselves. In South Korea, workers disinfected buses to stop the spread of the illness. The U.S. military confirmed the first case of coronavirus in a U.S. service member in South Korea. A 23-year-old soldier based at Camp Carroll tested positive for the virus.
President Trump will hold a news conference this evening to discuss the U.S. response to the coronavirus. Senior White House officials tell CBS News the president is frustrated some health team members have spooked investors with dire predictions.
We need everybody to be thinking about this and really dusting off their pandemic plans if they're a public health department.
On CBS this morning, the CDC's Dr. Ann Schuchat slightly walked back the agency's warning Tuesday that it's not a question of if we will see the virus spreading in the U.S., but when.
We can't say for sure if we will get community transmission, but based on what we're seeing in Europe and the Middle East, we think it's more likely than we thought a week or two ago.
Federal health officials stress the outbreak is currently contained here in the U.S.